6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, start your tomato seeds indoors. Plant them in a well-draining soil, a 1/4 inch deep, spacing about 1 to 2 inches apart. Then water the soil. The seeds germinate best at 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. They should germinate within 5 to 10 days. Once the seedlings have developed at least 2 sets of leaves, you can transplant them into a larger pot, filled with a loose potting soil. Plant the seedlings deep, and space them 2 to 3 inches apart. Water the soil, and place the plants in full sunlight. Once the last frost has passed, and the night temps are consistently above 10 degrees Celsius, you can now begin to adjust the plants to the outdoors, and start transplanting them into the garden. Plant the tomato plants in a rich, well-draining soil. Plant them deeply. If you're using a garden bed, space determinate tomatoes 18 to 24 inches apart, and indeterminate varieties 24 to 36 inches apart. Alternatively, plant 1 tomato plant per large pot. Water tomatoes deeply, a few times a week. Avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can cause fungus. Depending on the variety, supports will be needed, to help keep the plant up off the ground, and reduce disease. Remove the shoots in between branches, so the plant can focus more on producing fruit, than foliage. These plants can encounter pests like aphids, tomato hornworms, and whiteflies. Use insecticidal soap, and hand remove larger pests. Avoid wetting leaves, and remove infected leaves to prevent disease. Once the plant starts producing fruit, lightly fertilize the soil. Two to 3 months after transplanting, the tomatoes should be ready for harvesting. Harvest the tomatoes when they are fully ripe, or partially, as they can finish ripening indoors. If your tomatoes are being eaten by rodents, consider using barriers, like wires, or fencing. If your tomatoes are having trouble ripening, watch this next video.